Hi guys, today I wanted to show you a game between Kondo and Habu. It was a quick shogi. It was particularly interesting to me because of the defense technique. What is worth watching here is not one brilliant move as we usually do in this series, it's rather the approach that Kondo took and in what way he managed to make it work. So in the current situation, Habu is on top, Kondo is on bottom. Habu promoted his token. Sure, the rook is attacking here. May look a little bit dangerous, but Habu has only gold in hand. And you can notice those two, like those three big strong pieces. Basically, the idea here is if Kondo manages to slow down the game, make sure his king is safe, he's going to win. If he goes for mutual attack, on the other hand, Habu has much stronger defenses, so there is low chance that he will be faster. So in this situation, he has to turn into defense. So how does he do that? Yeah, we can learn from here. He's taking the attacker, which was a knight. And next, he's going to take the rook. This, by the way, also weakens the castle, but that's not the point. We're also gonna take the less, promote the other bishop. You can see this will be a strong defensive piece as well. And bishop drop here, threatening checkmate in 3. So what do we do in this kind of situation? How do we continue? Well, we have this brilliant follow-up move here. In the game, gold took it and we dropped the rook, but it may be worth mentioning what happens if the king takes. Basically, it leads to a very complex variation, which may or may not end up in checkmate. The idea is to push this pawn, and if the bishop were to take it, we're gonna sacrifice everything. The best move is that king runs away, and then we would promote and take the bishop with our other rook, but perhaps it might be interesting, what if they defend? Well, we can take it and drop a lance and drop a pawn. And the king cannot retreat, yeah, because the knight is here. And no matter what he does, he will end up in checkmate. For example, if the king goes here, we'll have rook drop and gold going up, and the king will be checkmated. All of the lines will end up in checkmate. Perhaps the coolest one would be king takes, knight drop, king going here, rook drop. And remember this guy? He will come and deliver the final checkmate. So beautifully, all the stars align, and this king basically shouldn't be taking that pawn, yeah? Anyway, gold takes. What happened was rook drop, pawn drop, and we took this pawn. Suddenly our king is not in checkmate anymore. We, of course, if you see a piece like this, you want to bring general close to like bully it a little bit. But what's going to happen? We're going to bring the horse to more active position. And the horse going to retreat here. And this king was lonely, but suddenly it's surrounded by two big red pieces. It's very beautiful. And of course, Habu tries to attack, but lance drop. And this decided the game. Pawn drop, lance takes, and this is where Habu resigned. Basically, gold takes, rook takes. We have only those pieces in hand. Here, the follow-up would be a silver drop, leading to a little bit long, but sure victory for Sente. So in this particular game, we saw how to turn a winning position, like heavily winning position with material, into a solid game where you make sure you're not checkmated, and then in the proper timing you counter attack. Yeah, it was beautiful display of defensive skill. So I hope you can learn from it and use it in your own games. And of course, if you want to see the whole game, check the Shogi Live app, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.